What's up guys, it's Tron here with DrumVault. Today I'm going to be previewing my new Platinum Omnisphere Bank. I'm going to be cooking up a beat, showing you some of my favourite sounds from it and just give you a whole gist of the kit. So links in the description if you want to get it, and I'll just load it in and we'll look through some sounds. Right, so I've got up here, it's 60 patches. We got Arps, bass, bells, bell pads, flutes, guitars, keys, pads, leads, Plucks. So yeah, just basically everything I could do. I wanted to make it a good range, get at least one of every type of patch in this one, so I'll just give you a preview of a couple of each sound. That bass is really nice. Yeah, some really dope sounds in there. I'm just gonna pick out a key to start, and then I'm gonna get a MIDI and we're gonna cook up a beat. Alright, so I'm going with this patch first, just a simple pluck, and I'm using this MIDI Shrek from my Breakaway MIDI kit, dropped it a couple days ago. Some really cool keys and shit in there, so yeah, we'll use that for now. I'm going to slow it down a tiny bit, but I want it to be not too fast. Now I'm going to add in something else, like a counter melody or something, maybe a pad. Right, I'm going to go in with this guitar and I'm going to add a counter melody. And then I'm going to layer again, I think with a pad, just to add some more mid-range frequencies. Maybe even a bell pad. And then I'm just going to go along with the chord progression. adding in some bass notes there. Now I'm just going to go grab some drums. Alright, so I've just chosen out some drums. They're mostly from VSS's Aura drum kit and my Liftoff drum kit that dropped not long ago. So I'm just going to start laying it out. Set my 808 to cut itself, and I'm just going to lay something out. And I'm just going to layer it with this kick. Copy over my pattern. I'm going to turn the kick all the way up. Alt-K, get them all to C. And put all the velocities up to make it extra loud. And then Shift-D to shorten the notes. I'm just gonna mix everything and lay it out, and I'll let you guys hear it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Link to the kit's in the description if you want to get it. I got plenty more kits coming soon. Interstellar 5 is going to be coming later this week, and I got more stem kits, more Omni banks on the way. Let me know what other type of kits you want to see in the comments, and I'll let this beat play out, and I'll see you guys in the next preview.